Good morning, traders. I have just taken a long position. This is a code 2 trade. Code 2 says it's going to go long, and looks like it's about to take off. Yeah, it looks good. Everything looks good right now. Daily looks good. 10-minute looks good. The code 2 looks very good. Actually, it looks very good. Yep, it's pretty much for sure. Well, no, I can't say that yet, but it looks very good right now for code 2 to be long. I'm in and waiting for this thing to shoot up here. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I just calculated my stop. My stop is the full 20 ticks, down to the full 20 ticks. 20 ticks is sufficient though. So I don't have to go any more than 20 ticks, and I never do anyway. Even if I did via the code, I still never do. So 20 ticks though is the stop, and it should be good to go though. This thing's just going to take off. Be right back. Okay, I'm just going to go for 60 ticks on this trade. I'm taking it from 50.82 up to... Okay, hang on. Okay, taking it up to 51.42 for 60 ticks. 60 tick trade. It's been real shallow. Last couple days have been very shallow. Friday and Monday, very, very shallow. We're talking like 40 ticks. I mean, it's really been shallow. But normally, assuming it's not going to be the same kind of a day today, it would do the 70, which puts me at my 60 tick exit. So 60 ticks is appropriate to go for today. When it picks back up, I'll go for the 100 again. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I have adjusted the stop to 50.83 for a break-even stop. I'm just going to let this thing go here. It looks like I've got a code 2 signal to go long. It's looking good. I'll be back. And here it's going. It's breaking up now. Breaking upward. Okay, so, yep, the code 2 signal is to go long, and I've got an exit at 51.42 for a 60 tick exit today. So far, it's looking good. This is the power of the code 2, and it's the power of tracking the code 2. I tracked this yesterday in the charting, and this is what I called out exactly. So all you have to do is learn the codes, learn how to take a code 1 entry, learn what the code 2 is and how to apply it, how to use it, and then sign up to my charting, have me track it for you, at least for the first month, maybe 2 or 3, till you get it down on your own, and boom, you're good to go. I mean, with my tracking of the charting, you're gonna, be able to take this trade every day and do it just like I'm doing. I'll be right back. Okay, I just wanted to show that I have readjusted my stop from a break-even stop, and I've taken it down to the original stop, which is at 62. And there's a reason for that. It's based upon the code, and I've calculated that we are in a code 2 trade. I don't want to get stopped out of it if it comes back to my break-even point, because it could do something like that, and then it'll just keep on going and go up, and I don't want to, because the mathematics right now that we are in the code 2 is very high, very high. I've been tracking this in the charting. I've called it out. All my charting members will have gone long just like I did. We all got the signal to go long. And right now, I mean, I've got a lot of people that have already signed up to my charting, and I expect a lot more to sign up over the next couple weeks as everybody learns I've got it going again. But this is the most popular service I've ever had, this charting, is because you can use my tracking ability to track the code 2 and take your entries and hit the code 2 every day, and you're going to see me do it every day, or attempt to do it every day. You'll see me hit them, you see me won't hit them. Last few days have been a struggle because it's been really tight, but it'll open up, trust me, and I'll be hitting 100 tick trades Today I'm going for 60. I'll be back. You know, Franca out in South Africa isn't the only person who can make $80,000 a month using the code 2s. I can, you can, everyone can. You just have to learn how to do it. You've got me to track it for you. At $300 a month, you got my charting service to me to track it for you. You're going to know exactly what the code, well, pretty much exactly what the code 2 is. So, just like I'm hitting it right now, you can hit it every day too. I'll be back. It's shooting up pretty good here and moving pretty good right now. So I would say the chances of it making it to the exit are very good because it's moving. See how you just feel it? See how it's moving? You know, it's not taking very much time and it's just going straight up. It's not like it's, you know, going sideways like this. Like this was really boring trading right here. But right here, it's making this move. That's a good sign that it will continue to move higher. Not necessarily. Could all of a sudden die out and everything, but when you see this, go for it. And I'm going to go for this 60 tick exit today. And with the ones that make 100 and even 200 ticks, especially 200 ticks, they are really moving. So judge the movement for how far you should go. It's one thing that you can go by. One little edge that you can help you. So I'm going to go for it. 60 ticks on this trade. This is a code 2 trade. You know, code 1 works on everything. But now I'm showing you why I like to trade oil. Because oil has a code 2. And I can hit these big trades almost every day. And so can you. All you have to do is learn my codes, sign up to my charting, and you can hit them. Just like I'm doing. Okay, we're getting closer to the exit now. Not too far away. It's about 20 ticks right there. 20 ticks higher up to 42. And we'll make it. Should be good for the 60 ticks today. It may be good for 100 today, but I will use the charting to track that out. See, the charting will tell you when it's good to go for 100. The charting will even tell you, you know, to a certain extent when it's starting to get good to go for 200. Like right now, you wouldn't want to go for 200 tick trades since none of them are happening. But if 200 tick trades start happening over and over and over again, definitely you want to start going for them. Vice versa, even 100 tick trades aren't really happening right now because it's pretty tight out there. But when it starts picking up and they start happening, the charting will show that to you completely every day. Not only do you know where your entry will be, but you know what the exit will be as well with the charting. Amazing, isn't it? That's why it's so important to do the charting. And that's why so many people pay me to do it, because of my expertise, because I go through the time and effort to do it for everyone. Otherwise, everybody would have to do it themselves, to chart it, to track it out properly every day. So you know, so you could nail the code 2 trade, just like I'm doing, just like I did today. Just like I've nailed the entry every day. The only thing is I just didn't hit the exits before, because it was so tight. But this one looks like it's going to go. Looks like it's going to go the full measure. I'll be able to hit 60. I could go for 70 if I wanted to, but my entry is not really super good, so that's why I'm going for a 70 tick exit, but I don't have such a good entry, so I'm going for 60 ticks on my entry. That's what I'm doing. So I'm still, even at 42, I'm at the bottom end of the code range of what it normally would go. Only got a little bit further to go, as you can see, almost there. Let me take a look at the code real quick. Yep, we're looking good. Should be able to make it. Almost there. A few more ticks.